supposed to be my new helmet. If my wife ordered it right. Let's see, we got the invoice, the catalog, the N104 communications cable for the Harley Davidson, and that goes with the Nolan N104 helmet. I saw the helmet at the Pomona Motorcycle Show a few weeks ago. I've been very interested in the Nolan helmet for quite a while. This is the first time I got to see one in person, and felt really comfortable. It felt good on my head. I was in a market for a new helmet anyway, so this is my birthday present from my wife. Isn't she special? So when you first open the box, you have the helmet in a bag. And then you have the pin lock shield, and that's it. So let's get the helmet out. Since it's imported from Italy, it's probably an Italian knot, which means I probably can't figure out how to undo it. Nope, I got it. Now we debated between the silver and the charcoal gray, and by the looks of it, I think the charcoal gray is a good color. Arctic gray, excuse me, yes. And of course you got the owner's manual. And this is not a D-Link style helmet, it's a clasp style. So that's the Nolan N104 Evo unboxed. Thanks for watching.